Why can't rational choice theory predict specific crimes? Imagine trying to predict exactly when and where someone will commit a crime. It sounds simple, but human behavior is much more complicated than just weighing costs and benefits. That's why rational choice theory in crime, which suggests offenders make decisions based on logical calculations, can't tell us the specific crimes that will happen. Rational choice theory assumes that people look at the potential rewards of a crime and weigh them against the risks of getting caught or punished. If the benefits seem higher and the risks lower, they might go ahead. But real life doesn't always work that way. Many crimes happen because of strong emotions like anger, revenge, or passion. For example, someone might hit another person out of rage, not because they thought about the consequences. These impulsive acts happen without careful planning, so the theory doesn't predict them well. Another reason is that people are motivated by things beyond material gain. Some commit crimes just for the thrill or to feel powerful. Think about someone who steals just because they enjoy the adrenaline rush. Rational choice theory focuses on material benefits and avoiding punishment, but it doesn't fully explain these emotional or psychological motivations. Social and cultural influences also play a big role. Family ties, peer pressure, or community norms can push someone to offend, regardless of whether they think they'll get caught. If someone grows up in an environment where crime is common or accepted, their decision isn't always based on a simple cost-benefit analysis. These social factors shape choices in ways that rational choice theory doesn't account for. Plus, offenders don't always have complete information. They might underestimate the risks or overestimate their ability to escape. Cognitive biases and impulsivity mean decisions are often made in the moment, without full rational thought. This makes predicting specific crimes even harder because the decision process isn't purely logical. The context of each crime also matters. The availability of a victim, the location, or the opportunity can change from moment to moment. For example, a burglar might target a house because it's easy to break into at that time, but that's not something rational choice theory can predict beforehand. It can explain general patterns but not the exact timing or method of a crime. Research shows that increasing punishments or making it more certain doesn't always stop crime. If offenders don't respond to deterrence as the theory suggests, it becomes clear that their decisions aren't solely based on rational calculations. In the end, rational choice theory gives us a useful way to understand why some crimes happen, especially those motivated by economic gain. But it can't stand alone. Human behavior is shaped by emotions, social influences, and incomplete information. Combining it with other theories helps us better understand why specific crimes occur and why some offenders act against what seems to be their own best interests.